Hey guys, Nick here with ZZ Diesel. Show you a product we got for you to shim your relief valve on your 04.5 to 10 Duramaxes, so your LLYs, your LBZs, and your LMMs, and your 6.7 Cummins. Factory relief valve gets weak over time, causing a 0087 code or a 1093 code, low rail pressure. Pretty simple. Our kit comes with a nut and 3 shims. So thread the nut, after you take this out of the rail, you're going to thread the nut on all the way. So it looks like that. You're going to come over to your handy dandy work vise, and you're going to clamp just the end portion of the relief valve in there. Just snug her up. It doesn't have to be super tight. Then you're going to take and back off the nut until it's tight up against the vise. Put a wrench on there. Give her a couple spins, and you'll feel it release. Then you can kind of work it by hand until it comes all the way off there. Make sure you don't lose anything that comes out of there. You're going to have a shim and a spring, and the end plug that you clamped in there, right? So that you can lay that down, place your shim back in there. Then you're going to spin your nut off. We're done with that nut now. Then you're going to grab your 3 shims. Now, if this is something that you still want relief of the relief valve, you can just put 1 shim in there. It's going to space that spring up and add additional tension, keep it from blowing open. If you want it to be a little stiffer, add 2, or if you don't want it to blow off at all, you can put all 3 in there. So we're just going to do 1 in this one. Now spin your vise open as you're holding that. Place the relief valve in the vise. Line up the relief plug and tighten her back down. As soon as it gets above that ridge there, the crimps on there, you're going to hold that plug in there. Now it's ready to reinstall. Clean it off. You can get replacement O-rings if you need them. Right on our website. Give us a call. Thanks.